Go ahead.
Hey, I'm here with Frank Reed, NFL alumni from the University of Washington and then the Atlanta Falcons. We are doing some sleep apnea treatment, and this is his first appointment getting his appliance. So how's it feel so far, Frank?
It's great. It's a tool that'll really help me out a lot and help me breathe, and I think my wife will really love it.
I hear you're going to have an improvement with snoring if you wear this thing. Your wife's going to really like that, I bet.
Yes, she might even keep me another year or two.
There you go. That's Frank Reed reporting from Suwanee Dental Care on his sleep apnea treatment today.